How would you say, tumatayo yung balahibo ko in English?
The best English word that describe this phrase
Is the word goosebumps. Have you heard about goosebumps? Goosebumps means small raised areas that appear on the skin when we feel cold, fear, or excitement. So exactly, yun yung tumatayo ang balahibo natin. For example, this creepy place gives me goosebumps. In Tagalog, itong nakakatakot na lugar na to ay tumatayo ang balahibo ko. Paano mo naman sasabihin sa English na nakikiliti ako? Yes, from the word kiliti, that is tickle in English. Pero pag sinabi naman natin nakikiliti ako, you can use the word ticklish. Yes, it's ticklish.
Ticklish means when you feel a sensation, often a bit uncomfortable or giggly, when someone touches certain parts of your body.
For example, when somebody touches my ear, it made me feel